Southern Credit Partners, partnering with your realtor, dealer, or lender to help you qualify for an FHA loan. Partnering with you to improve your lifestyle. In our third section, we're going to talk about the loan process. It includes the timeline, the application process, the documents, and the closing. That's when you get your keys. The first step to apply for an FHA loan is to fill out the buyer information sheet, which will tell us what you have and what you need. From this, we will create a personal action plan and strategy to help you meet your goals for FHA approval. The lender will require you to fill out an application, which includes all the information about you that will determine your eligibility for a loan and at what rate and terms. Through this process, they will either pre-approve you with the condition that you provide verification of your stated information, or they will decline you with reasons. This process of application takes approximately 48 hours. 9 out of 10 applicants are initially declined by the lender. However, declines can often be turned around through correcting and preparing your credit file properly. This is the basis of this program and why it was created. If you've been turned down once before or many times, let this program work for you. However, understand that this process can take months or longer. Each individual is different. Like getting in shape can take months or longer depending on your starting weight and fitness level. Credit improvement and enhancement is similar. If your submitted application is returned with a pre-approval, it will be accompanied by disclosure documents which spell out the loan details, including interest rates, terms, costs, and payments. These documents need to be signed and returned with the buyer's verifying documents. The disclosure documents are received in approximately 24 hours. Submitting the verifying documents for this process will take as much time as it takes the buyer to gather them. With this program, the verifying documents are coordinated well before the buyer submits an application to the lender. Since we know each and every requirement, there is no need to submit your application without being confident that it will be approved. Otherwise, risk a decline and a red flag on your name when you try to resubmit. That is never a good idea. Now the processor reviews all of the buyer's verifying documents and sends back a list of missing items and submits it to the underwriter. This process will take the lender 3 to 5 days. The lender's underwriter will send a list of additional missing items to the buyer called a conditions list. Additional items will be collected by the buyer and resubmitted to the lender for final approval, and then a closing date is set, which is the date of the final sale. This process takes another 3 days. If you're interested in getting approval for a home loan through an FHA lender, fill out our buyer information sheet so we know what you currently have and what you will need, and so that we can create your personal action plan and strategy. Go to www.southern.creditpartners.com/buyerinfo.html. Southern Credit Partners can help you purchase the home of your dreams through one of our affiliate partners who are realtors and dealers across the U.S. If your selling agent is not yet working with Southern Credit Partners, please have them contact us to get started, or forward us their contact information so we can contact them on your behalf. Don't delay, start today. Start online 24 hours a day or over the phone with one of our representatives between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Saturday. We look forward to helping you towards your goals.